Hello dear student. Today I am going to describe about form. Form is one of the important object in MS Access database. What is a form? A form is an object in a database that is created based on an existing table that is used to change, modify and update the data in the table. Whatever data you can change, modify or update in the form, that same change will be reflected in the corresponding and related table based on which the form is created. Now a form is having multiple view. As you can see, form view, layout view, design view, and in the diagram also you can see the form is having three very important view: form view, layout view and design view. Now we are moving to the next part, that is how to create a form. There are multiple steps to create a form. So first step is to just click on the table in the navigation pane from which the form will be created. That means you have already created a table. Click on the table in the navigation pane and open the table. Now you click on the create tab. That you can see that this is the MS Access window. Here you click on the create tab. This is the second step. After clicking the create tab, you go to the forms group. Under the forms group, there are multiple options to create a form. Form design, blank form, more form wizard, more forms, many options are there. You just click onto the form button under forms group. This is step number 3. When you click on the form button under forms group, then a form is displayed like this. You can see a form is displayed like this. This is the form that is displayed in layout view. So this is the form that is displayed in the layout view. Now here at the bottom one navigation button will come. By clicking navigation button, you can go from one data to the another data reflected in the form. So this is step number 4. Now we are moving forward. Now your form is created. You can change the form design by going to the design tab. Before describing the design tab, I want to tell you one thing, that when your form is opening in this layout view, you can see the layout view. This is the layout view of the form. When your form is opened with layout view, then design, arrange and format. As you can see my mouse pointer, design, arrange and format, these 3 extra tabs will be displayed on the window. Now we are going to the next part, formatting a form or designing a form. So with the help of design tab, you can design a form. You can go to the design tab. Okay, that is here the design tab, and then you can add the logo and title. This is the logo of the form and this is the title of the form that you can add to the form. That will give a good representation of the form. After that also you can go to the format tab. You can see, as I have told, design, arrange and format, 3 extra tabs will be coming after creating form. You can go to the format tab. When you are going to the format tab, you can set the background. You can see in the format tab, under the background group, there is one option, background image. So you can click on the background image, and one background image you can set for your already created form, and thus you can create one complete form. So this is the form design that you can see here. So now student, I am recapping all the process of creating a form. So a form, today what I have told, first of all, a form provides, what is a form? A form is an object in a database. Form actually created from an existing table. A form provides you an interface, a place where you can change, update and modify the data that will be reflected in the existing table. Whatever change you will do on the form, the same will be reflected to the connected and related table. A form is having multiple view, like form view, layout view and design view. Three important views are there for the form. Next, how to create a form. Before creating form, you need to concern about the existing table. There are multiple steps to create the form. First step, you go to the navigation pane, click on the existing table and open the existing table. Second step, you go to the create tab as the picture is showing here. You can click on the create tab. This is the second step. Now you go to the forms group. Under the forms group, you will see multiple options. You click on the form button, that is step 3 or third step. You click on form button. When you click on form button, you can see a form is displayed, and here the form is displayed with layout view. Here one data of the table is shown. Don't worry, at the bottom navigation buttons are there. By clicking the forward navigation buttons, you can go from one record to the next record in the form. This is step 4. So primary form design is finished here. Now when you have created a form, you can see 3 extra tabs will be coming: design, arrange and format. Design, arrange and format. 3 extra tabs are coming. So we can design and format the tab. How? First, you click on the design tab. When you click on the design tab, you can add the logo and title of the form. Okay, you can create and you can add logo. Logo means any short icon type image on the form, and the title of the form that you can set with the help of design tab. Now we can format the tab. You can click on the format tab. When you click on the format tab, background group will come. Under the background group, background image button is there. You click on the background image button, then you can see that the background image option will come. You can select any image as the background of the form, and if you select a particular image, that will be displayed at the background of the form. And now your form will be looking like this. That background image will be there, logo will be there and title will be there. So this is your complete form. Now remember this thing, that you can create a form by clicking on the create tab. When you are creating a form, the form will be displayed in the layout view. After creating the form, with help of design tab, you can add the logo and the title of the form, and with the help of format tab, with the help of background button, you can set the background. Once your form is created, you can save the form. When you save the form, your form name will be coming at the navigation pane, that is the left hand side of the MS Access window. So student, this is all about the form. Thank you.